If you want to share your internet connection with friends, family members, or other devices, you'll need to turn on Mobile Hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy device running One UI 8.5. But before connecting another device, you may also need to check or find your hotspot password. In this video, I'll show you how to find your mobile hotspot password on Samsung One UI 8.5. plus a hidden feature that lets you share a temporary one-time password. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Now tap on Connections at the top. Here, you'll find the Mobile Hotspot and Tethering option. Tap on it. Next, tap on Mobile Hotspot. Now tap on the hotspot name or configuration section. Here you can see your mobile hotspot name, your hotspot password, a QR code for quick connection. You can either share the password manually or let another device scan the QR code to connect instantly. Samsung also added a very useful hidden feature called One-Time Password. Just tap on the One-Time Password option. This creates a temporary hotspot password that you can safely share with guests, friends, or family members. The best part is that the password automatically resets the next time you turn the hotspot off and back on again, making your connection more secure and private. This is a really helpful feature if you frequently share your internet connection with other people. So that's how you can check your mobile hotspot password and use the hidden one-time password feature on Samsung One UI 8.5. And that's it. Thanks for watching.